Hello, it's Monika from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and it is time for a new collaboration for hashtag World Card Making Day 2025. We've got Marta, Monika, and Katarina. And today I'm going to show you how to create this triangular fancy fold without any cutting dice. And what's really good about this collaboration, I've got a free World Card Making Day collection for you on BuyMeACoffee website, which you can get, and the link is in the description down below. As you can see, there are two pages with lots of images to fussy cut, but there is also amazing design paper, and it means when you download it, you can use it as many times as you want. So if you like it, go and check the link in the description down below. So let's create our triangular fancy fold card today without any cutting dice. I've got orange cardstock measuring 7 inches by 10 inches, and I'm going to score it at 5 inches all the way down to give me the card base. Super quick and simple. Now when this is ready, it is time to fold it and burnish it. And we're going to create the card base really easy. So I need a ruler, and I'm going to mark 3.5 of an inch. And when this is ready, I'm going to use my trimmer and actually cut it from the edges here. Actually, the corners to give me two triangles. Super quick and simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it at 3.5 on my scoring board here. Actually, the trimmer, and then I'm going to move it where the line is. And this is the easiest way to cut it. I was inspired by one of the projects I saw on Pinterest, and I'm going to leave the link in the description down below if you'd like to have a look. So now I'm going to use my scissors to cut the excess off, just to make sure it looks professionally finished. So now, when this is ready, then we can embellish the card the way you want. And first I'm going to start with a white panel measuring 4.75 by 6.75 of an inch. I'm going to use my liquid glue to assemble the panels together. And then from my free digital collection, I'm going to cut some triangles to go to the front. So as you can see, this panel is slightly bigger. So I'm going to use the trick that Marta uses very often. From drop of sunshine, so I'm going to turn the card over and use a pencil to mark exactly where I need to cut it. So this way, I don't need any measurement. And as I told you, there are 4 crafters in this collaboration for hashtag World Card Making Day 2025, which is actually on the 4th of October. So for the 4 days, we're going to have different projects for you. And today, it is my day. So I'm starting it with my free digital collection, which you can get on BuyMeACoffee website, and I left the link in the description down below. Tomorrow, we're going to change the timings. All the information is in the description down below, so have a look. And don't forget to go to Marta, Monika, and Katarina because their projects are simply gorgeous. Now we're going to create a triangle that goes inside. So this one is 5 by 7 inches, and I'm going to mark 3.5 at the top. And when this is ready, again, I'm going to use my trimmer to actually cut the excess off. So I'm going to have a very big triangle. So as you can see, I'm putting that on my trimmer, and where the pencil mark is, I can join it with the corner of the card. And this way, I'm going to have a very beautiful triangle. Super quick and simple. If you've never ever created this fancy fold, I really hope you'll give this one a go. And in the description down below, there are links to Marta's, Monika's, and Katarina's YouTube channels as well. So if you're new to our channels, it would be amazing if you can subscribe as well. So now I'm going to create a smaller triangle here, and again I'm going to use my pencil just to make a mark. Super quick and simple. So this one is slightly smaller than 3.5. If you want, you can actually put the 3.5 exactly in the middle, and then you can mark it. Again, I'm going to use my trimmer, and if you like it, I left the link in the description down below to Amazon where you can get some of the tools I use as well. I wonder, how are you going to celebrate World Card Making Day this year? If you do have any ideas, please share them in the comments down below. Because together with Katarina, Monika, and Marta, we decided to give you something special. Not only the three design collections, so every single day we're going to use a different one, but also some absolutely amazing projects. So go to the description and check all the details. I'm really sure you will be surprised with how many beautiful projects we can create. And what's really good for that World Card Making Day, you can get those collections for free and you can use them as many times as you want. So now my front is ready, so we can decorate it. From my digital collection, I use some of the elements and I fussy cut them. I really like the three sentiments I created, so one will go here, but I thought it would be a good idea to add a little bit of dimension. And autumn is one of my favorite seasons, so I couldn't resist, and my free digital collection is all about autumn. If it is one of your favorite seasons as well, go and download this beautiful digital collection. So as you can see, I put the latte here. It is obviously pumpkin spice latte, one of my favorites. I always wait for the whole year to try it. To be honest, this year I already had two of them. If you like this coffee, please let me know in the comments down below. And actually, where can you get the best one? I mean, pumpkin spice latte. So now as you can see, I'm adding all the other pumpkins. I already have some dimension and some of them will be flat. And with this pumpkin, I'm going to add two layers of double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension. And of course, you can do that as well. So if you'd like to know about the timings for each day, there is all the information in the description down below. So here, as I like pumpkin spice latte, I had to add some coffee beans to this collection. And if you like coffee, I'm pretty sure you will like this collection as well. For me, this all about warm and gold colors. That's what you can see here. So when this is ready, I'm going to tidy up a little bit. And if you saw my whole video from Saturday, I got some amazing chipboards, and these ones were perfect for this card. So I'm going to add them on my triangular fancy fold card. How often do you use chipboards in your card making projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. So the card is nearly completed, but what I thought we miss here is actually the back of the card. Of course, you can write some sentiments here or actually a message, but I thought let's create a beautiful border. So I've got 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 with that design paper, and the white panel is 5.5 by 3.5 of an inch. So this way, I've got the beautiful border and there is enough space to write a beautiful message. I'm going to assemble all the elements using my liquid glue. And at this point, I thought I still have lots of elements that I fussy cut, so I can use them to decorate the back of the card as well. How often do you do that for your projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. And the whole project is complete. Please let me know what do you think about it and if you would like to give this card a go. I really hope you feel inspired and check the description for the free mini collection. And don't forget for that World Card Making Day, we've got the hashtag World Card Making Day 2025. Please go to Marta, Drop of Sunshine, Monika, PaperMona, Katarina, Create with Katarina, and all the timings and informations are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration. And there is a new video coming tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!